everyone, welcome back to my channel Shopping Mania, and I'm Priyanka, and in today's video I'm gonna share the Raksha Bandhan makeup tutorial. So without talking too much, let's get started the video. This is my final look, guys. I hope you will like this video, and if you, then do not forget to like and share my video. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon, so whenever I will upload my new video, you will get notified about that. So we'll meet you soon in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, love you all.